The stance release feedback supports gait training by giving an acoustic signal every time the knee joint releases from stance to swing. This function can be activated in both the connectgo app for users and the connectgo Pro app for certified prosthetists. The absence of the signal indicates that stance release was unsuccessful. Verify that the C-leg is correctly calibrated, that sufficient socket flexion is set according to the user's hip flexion contracture, and that all stance release criteria are fulfilled. For stance release, the shank needs to move forward into a forward inclination, while the knee joint becomes fully extended. In case of a too passive walking pattern, supportive physiotherapy is recommended.